Happy days are here again. It's another bullish day on Wall Street. This is Mark Suppern with a broad market review for March the 5th, 2013. Well, happy days are here again. All-time high on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Boy, I'll tell you, the news media is going crazy. Heard a great quote. It said, well, this is a all-time high that has more news attached to it than there are traders. Yeah, it was just an average volume day on Wall Street. But yes, all-time high, breaking the 2007 record on the Dow. Well, let's take a look at it here. You can see, boom, this is the daily chart, and here it is on the weekly chart. You can see we just broke out from this high base here. And on the daily chart, a nice little bull pullback. But let's take a look at all the numbers here. Hey, look at this. S&P up almost 1%. The Dow up almost 1%. Hey, look at this. The NASDAQ was up 1.3%, and the small caps up 1.7%, so they did lead the way. That's a bullish sign. And the bank, though, was just a little bit behind, lagging today after pulling it forward yesterday. And the VIX confirmed here, a nice minus 3.7%. We had just a little bump here in our commodities, our gold and silver, but in oil jumped up almost 1% today. And we did have the dollar down just slightly, which will confirm our move up today. But look at this one, transportation up 1.5%. That more than confirms the Dow Jones Industrial move to all-time high, and it was an all-time high for transports as well. All right, let's take a look at the S&P and its daily chart here, and look at this. Sure enough, nice beautiful bull pullback. Of course, it's easy to see at the end of this. Now, Jeff Try made a comment yesterday on the video and said, hey, look, we have ourselves a bearish engulfing here, and we have a reverse hammer here. All signs it should be going bearish. Well, that's just it. It's all about probabilities, folks. We don't know. In fact, down here, down below, we had this thunder in the distance. Well, it just broke out from that, didn't it? So, looks like we are bullish, at least for now. Will there be a little bit of selling off? Probably, and then there'll be those insane people who now want to go all in now that we've broken all-time highs. By the way, as for the S&P 500, all-time high is way up here in the 1575 area, so we got a couple more days of bullish movement in order to hit that. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ, and the NASDAQ was also up big today, and it's up more recent highs, up over the 3,200 mark. Look at that, kaboom. And then the small caps up nice and strong as well, and it's beautiful bull pullback happening on the market. So right now, bullish signs everywhere on the market. So if you'd like to improve your trading or just find out exactly what trading is all about, we are having a free webinar this Wednesday, and it's going to be on trading foundations. So come and learn a little bit about what trading is, especially if you're new to this business. And it's going to be on Wednesday again at the 7th at 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Here, if you go to our site and push on this button right there, the upcoming events, and it'll take you right to the page and tell you all about what the webinar is all about. Now, you need to register for this free webinar right here, and even if you can't make it at 9 o'clock Eastern Time on Wednesday, go ahead and register anyway, and you can get a link to the recording of that webinar. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suppern. Just remember that fear and greed are the two biggest emotions that can destroy your trading. Right now, there's a lot of greed out there at all-time highs. Be careful you don't get caught up in just the excitement. Trade what you see. Trade well.